I'm back here with my new video whereby I used Django. It's a book app system which helps librarians to manage their books, to know the amount of books in the store, to know which book is not needed. So I came out with an idea of building such a system whereby it also helps publishers to put their books on market. So let's dive in for more clarity. So I already have an account, so we shall just sign in. So as you see, I already have an account, so I just signed in. So I went further with the system. As you see, I made a background video so that it can attract the attention of the user, which clearly shows that this is the library. You've come to the right system, which is going to help you to find your needs or goals. So I went further for the system. I got an idea of putting a group chat with an aim of a publisher, an admin, and librarian can also put any idea for the rest of the group members to suggest. So I went further. So let me give an idea. Since I'm the admin, let me put a message for the clarity so that you guys see how our system is functioning. So we shall say we shall say there is a need. Oh, sorry. There is a need. There is a need. We're just giving it a trial. There is a need for the kids books. Get together. You can post it in the chat. So as you see, they have said that the admin as me the admin have written a new message. It shows that there is a need for the kids box. So it shows the day, the time when the message was sent, which is functioning nicely. So I went further and I wanted the system to work nicely. So we can add a book as well as view it. So let's add a book and see. We shall say kids book. Kids book. So the publisher shall be, let's take Omara Georgia, and it's recommended to put the date when the book was written. So we shall say, since we want those books which are in market, we shall say 2025. And put descriptions. Good for kids. Good for kids. So we shall go further and pick the files, the book cover file and the PDF. And this is the nice thing we have done. We have chose the file, so we can add. Oh, we have to put the goals. Wait, put moments. You just put moments, just because we are giving it a demo. So when you add, you can see that the book it pops out a message. The book was uploaded successfully. So it shows us the ID number. This is the quality of the numbers we're having in the system. The book cover, the title, the name. We can view the PDF as well as we can view the PDF. Since we're giving it a trial, you can download the PDF, which is nice and functioning nicely. So we can go to manage the box. How are we managing the box? So let's view how we are managing our box. So you can say I'm going to edit. You can manage the book by seeing the details. You can as well as edit your viewed. You can as well as edit. So I will say kids moments. Let me edit and say kids moments and upload it. When you go back to view, you can see changes that the author has changed to kids moments. So this system helps us to view the details, to know the amount of the books in you have in at your store or the bookstore. You can know that you can identify the book quality, you can identify the books, the types of the books you have, kids, adult, youth. uh so you can, oh, as well as see the deleted ones. Let's give it a demo to see how we can delete a book. Manage book. Let's delete from this side. Let me look for something that I feel like okay, no, I won't delete. Because I want you to see the total books I have. Okay, we started when we having 4 books. So let's give it a demo. Let's delete this. Let's delete this super book. Sorry for that. Not now. You can delete some. I'm sorry for that. I'm going to approve it, or to correct that error. So when you go to the user can tell you. Remember, the user, what did Amy at the start was the publisher, so you can see says her comments is, or her feedback is, says it. I love it. So here it's where the users get put their feedbacks. So it's where we find the feedbacks of our users. Anyone who has used our system, anyone who has got a book from the system and liked it, admits or submits her or his feedback. So you can see the managers. You can add a user. Since I'm an admin, I logged in as an admin, I can add a user. I can, as well as I can edit. You can see the details. Carol does not have a first name, the last name. So let's try to edit the details of Carlo. So I feel like drawing Carol. Okay, we shall say she's called Joy. Tender, tender. And the email, we shall put this one, email updates. This is nice. So you can see Carol. Number 2. We have updated the email. You can do, let's view it and see. The last name and the first name is Will. We have updated it because she did not have those details, but we have updated them. So that's how we can manage. You can view, you can edit, you can delete as well as. So you can search for any book as a user. After using our system, after going through the system and seeing it, how it functions, you can see when we added a book, we started when we have 4 books, but when we added a book, it's the 5 books now, the users are 11. So you can't stop there, you can further go and log out after using the system, but it does not automatically go direct and log out. No, we put there a popping message which alerts you whether you want to log out or you don't want. So since I'm done with what I'm doing, I can log out, whereby it takes you back to our interface, our UI, where we started from, our landing page, which contains the login form. So you can, as long as you still need to use the system, you can log in. You can sign in when you have an account. When you don't have, you register. So we built this with the Django framework of Python. The back end is Django, as well as the front end to build the book system. So it's helping the librarians, the publishers, to manage the books. So I'm so happy to share with you this idea and sharing you my system built with Django. Let's link up with the next video. Bye bye.